In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a back exercise known as the corner row. So we're going to be in a bent over position. You're going to have the V-bar attachment in your hands, and you're then going to be bringing your hips back as you squeeze your shoulder blades to work your latissimus dorsi, your mid back and upper back muscles. So firstly, we need that V-bar attachment. So that looks like this, and I'm going to place it underneath the bar. So once you've placed it underneath the bar, come into a squat position with a nice straight back and bring the bar up to a standing position. Now I'm gripping my hands here as hard as I can into that V-bar attachment. And what I want to do is, as I bring my hips back, I'm going to start to slowly bend my knees, and I want to keep a nice neutral spine. From this position, I'm going to row slowly into my body, squeezing my shoulder blades back as hard as I can. And I'm going to keep my set position with a nice neutral spine as I complete my repetitions. So that's bring the weight up, bending the elbows, keep that knee bent position, bracing the core at all times. And as you're doing the exercise, you're squeezing your shoulder blades as hard as you can. Once you're done, squat down with a nice straight back, and you have completed your bent over corner row. You would do that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.